everyone, here explain above linear function and their application. What linear? A linear function is the type of mathematical foundation that has the following properties. 1. Proposition. A linear function satisfies the property of proposition, meaning that a change in the input will produce an proposition change in the output. For example, if you have a linear function f(x) equals ax plus b, that I is the slope or gradient of the linear. Its application in various fields includes 1. Mathematics. Mathematical is a science discipline that studies quantity, structure, speech, and patterns. It is a universal launch access to formulate, analysis, and solve various problems in various fields. Some key concepts in mathematical include 1. Arithmetic. Arithmetic studies number and basis mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 2. Geometry. Geometry discusses and properties of space and shapes, including plane, line, angles, and other geometric shapes. 3. Algebra. Algebra involves manipulating mathematical expressions, assigning variables, and mathematical operations such as multiplication, division, and imputation. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is concerned with the relationship and properties of angles and trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, and tangent. 5. Calculus. Calculus is branch of mathematical that studies checks and the calculus of rate of checks. These include differentiation, calculating derivative, and integration, calculating integrals. 6. Statistics. Statistics is science concerned with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. It is assessed in decision-making, research, and risk analysis. 7. Number theory. Number theory studies the properties of integrals and the relationship between them, including factorization, prime number, and Fermat theorem. Then third is the application of linear function to economics. Economics is the study of how social allocation limited resources to meet their needs and what if evolvent analyzes the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Some key concepts in economics include 1. Supply and demand. A basic economic concept that considers how the price and quantity of goods and services are affected by the interaction between supply by producers and demand by consumers. 2. Business cycle. The economic expression contains periodic fluctuation known as the business cycle, which involves basis of growth, contraction, recession, and recovery. 3. Inflation. Inflation is a general increase in the price of goods and services over a certain period of time. This affects the purchasing power of the current kit and monetary policy. 4. Economy policy. Government and economic institutions assess fiscal and monetary policy to regulate the economy, influencing employment rate, inflation, and economic growth. 5. Productivity. Productivity is a concept related to how efficiently resources and assets in the production of goods and services. Next, expertise. Expertise in the breadth of natural science that studies the universe and natural phenomena using scientific methods to understand and explain the behavior of matter and energy. Basic science to formulate laws and theories that explain how various physical entities interact in various situations. Some key concepts in physics include 1. Mechanics. Mechanics in the study of the motion of bodies and the forces that influence them. It includes classical mechanics, Newtonian mechanics, and relativity mechanics. Special and general theories. 2. Thermodynamical. Thermodynamical is the science of energy, heat, and work. It explains concepts such as hot energy, entropy, and the law of thermodynamics. 3. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism studies the interaction between electricity and magnetic fields. These include Coulomb's law, Gauss's law, and Faraday's law. 4. Optics. Optics is the study of light and optical phenomena including refraction, reflection, and the spectrum of light. 5. Particle physics. Particle physics studies the physical structure of matter and subatomic particles. It covers standard models of particle physics and experiments in particles. Next, engineering. Line functions are assessed in various engineering applications such as in electrical, circuit analysis, system control, and data analysis. Engineering is a scientific discipline and practices that focus on designing, building, and maintaining various system structure and vehicles to meet human needs. It involves the application of scientific and mathematical principles in the process of designing, producing, and maintaining various products and systems. Some important engineering subfields include 1. Civil engineering. Civil engineering focuses on the design, construction, and maintenance of basic infrastructure such as bridge, road, building, dam, and the pipeline system. 2. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering includes the design and production of mathematical components, mathematical vehicles, and automatical systems. 3. Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is concerned with the development and maintenance of electronic vehicles, electronic power systems, communication, Introduce me, Pupi Anggreni from Management 23 class. Here I will run material about market plans.